You are listening to Steel Town Sound.
Chuck Mack.
Right now, I want to call a man. I don't know how to start. Make you feel kind of good. But I believe that would be just destroying the feeling that he's going to bring to you. Remind me of the time when I said I got that feeling. But right now, great pride, P-R-I-D-E, and pleasure. I'd like to bring a young man. I'm just gonna make it so what I'm saying.
Y'all wanna know why you don't stop? Y'all wanna know why you don't flop? Let me tell you, P.E. why I came from the bottom of the block. When I was born, it was sworn I was never gonna be shit. Had to pull the opposite out this bitch. Had to get my ride. I had on eyes on the prize, y'all knew I had to get these chips. Had to make moves like Elijah Wan. Started out selling down 10 nicks. Graduated to a brick, no exaggeration. My infatuation with the strip. Legendary like a schoolboy. Crush on nearly every chick. Heavy shit. That's how schoolboy got whipped and got left on some just me, myself, and I on some true boy shit. Had the boys to a place of no return. Had to play with fire and get burned. Only way the boy ever gonna learn. Had to lay weight in the cut till I finally got my turn. Now I'm on top in the spot that I earned. It's my life, it's my pain and my struggle. The song that I sing to you is my everything. Treat my first like my last, and my last like my first, and my verse is the same as when I came. It's my joy and my tears and the laughter it brings to me is my everything. Like I never rode in a limo, like I just dropped flows to a demo. Like it's 92 again, and I got O's in the rental. Back in the stool again, no problem. It's a whole lot simple when you think back. You thought that you would never make it this far, then you take advantage of the love you handed, or the talent you've been given. Ain't no half stepping, ain't no slipping. Ain't no different from a block that's hidden. Gotta get it while the getting's good. Gotta strike while the iron's hot. When you stop, then you gotta bid it. Good riddance, goodbye. This is my second major breakup. My first was with a pager, with a hoopty, a cook pot, and a game. This one's with the school, with the stage, with the fortune. Maybe not the fortune, but certainly my life, my pain and my struggle. The song that I sing to you is my everything. Treat my first like my last, and my last like my first, and my thirst is the same as when I came. It's my joy and my tears and my laughter it brings to me. It's my everything. Treat my first like my last, and my last like my first, and my thirst like the first song I sang.
Irons in the niacin, fuck who that I offend. Rappers sit back, I'm about to begin. Foul talk is war. Never even walked the war. More or less destined to get tested. Never been arrested. My album will manifest many things that I saw, did or heard about, or told firsthand. Never word of mouth. What's in the future for the fusion and the change? And rappers are in danger. Who will use wits to be a remainder? When the missile is aimed to blow you out of the frame. Some will keep their limbs in, some will be maimed. The same suckers with the gab about killer instincts would turn bitch, you knowing damn well they lack. In this division, the con is sower. Cracking your head with a 4x4. Realize, sucker, I be the coming like Noah. Always simmer you down. Perpetrating for something what you consider an image. To me, this is just a scrimmage. I feel I'm stoned. Not cause a bopper wear my cap cop. The more emotion I put into it, the harder I rock. Those who pose lyrical but really ain't true, I feel. Hard rock. About what you did, but you never done it. Admit it, you bid it, cause the next man get platinum behind it. I find it ironic, so I researched and analyzed. Most write about stuff they fantasize. I'm fed up with the bull on this focus of weeded clips and Glocks getting caught and wax not being flipped. It's the same old, just straining from the anal. The contact is not complex, the vex. So why you pushing it? Why you lying for? I know where you live, I know your folks. You was a sucker as a kid. Your persona's drama that you acquired in high school and acting class. Your whole aura is plexiglass. What's the face told me you shot this kid last week in the park? That's a lie. You was bridge with your mom, see I know. Yo, slow your roll, yeah, we're good to go. Guys be locking in this thing called rapping just for dough. Of course we gotta pay rent, so money connects. But I'd rather be broke and have a whole lot of respect. It's the principle of it. I get a rush when I bust some dope lines so raw that maybe somebody you quote. That's what I consider real in this field of music. Instead of putting brain cells to work, they abuse it. Non-conceptual, non-exceptional. Everybody's either crime related or sexual. I'm here to make a difference. Besides all the riffing to traps, I'm not sticking. Rappers stop flipping for those who post lyrical, but really ain't true, I feel.
Anti-limited hard rock.
Cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: sex, power, and wealth. Fuck everything else. Well, you can see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: trying to survive Los Angeles Times. MCs get fucked up, chopped like Braveheart. Don't start what you can't finish. Serious business. Down La Cienega, gutter, bust a left on Venice, where you can find me in mine.
Los Angeles Times.
Where every other day I'm taking the hat off my head, giving respect to the dead, and avoid having the same thing said about me. Xzibit stand underground like the roots of a tree. Water 3 times a day, 40 ounce OE, like a magnifying glass, making it easy to see. The Mr. X to the Z, don't P. LA, why test without vest to stop land projectile? Apocalypse now. Love our law, not new car, faggot. Superstar type of cat, fuck that. Mash away in a diamond white concourse black. Still black, so the one time react as if under attack. Ain't nothing changed with this range. Feel no pain. Mr. Big Bad Insane, Black John McClane with liquor on the brain, down to earth like dirt. From the city where niggas known for putting in work. Like that. Well, you can see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: sex, power, and wealth. Fuck everything else. Well, you can see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: trying to survive Los Angeles Times. If hands determine dick size and palm in the earth, select turf, then plant bad seeds and give birth, and make the hard work look easy for Sheezy. Leaving you and your best men stiffer than mannequins, enough to break the skin on a Vietnam leatherneck Marine drill sergeant. You nothing but a target, charging to the game, gotta look beyond the brand name. Coming from the guts like I slammed down 20 cups of Hennessy straight. Relate, feel my hate. Xzibit flipping through these bitches like DJ Crate. Translate to left field, only real niggas follow. Bitches suck and swallow. I'm living life behind the bottle, never the role model. Still shining like a new automobile. Low 6'4", you can't steal, cause I got a kill switch with an inch for the action. While other rappers use mass weapons of distraction to sell they shit. You see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: sex, power, and wealth. Fuck everything else. Well, you can see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: trying to survive Los Angeles Times. El Veterano, you can only pray to learn what I know. Watch low across the horizon, the lone desperado, coming through the door, bringing nothing but hits. Sometimes I feel like a matador, looking at this bullshit. Niggas pull rent from the crack of their ass. Maintain, do your thing, this too shall pass. I season beef with lead pieces, then cooking with gas. I'm from the school of hard knocks, way ahead of the class. Xzibit hard to get through, like bulletproof glass. Work it down like Johnny Cochran, then mix it with hash. Your defense can't last against advanced prosecution. Hit the airwaves like pollution. Here's the solution: take a trip to Washington, then burn the Constitution. Top government officials locked down for prostitution. Recruiting the hard rocks, mean streets keep producing. The world is a riot, shit is mine for the loot. You can see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: sex, power, and wealth. Fuck everything else. Well, you can see the whole city burning, cause the cops got Uzis and the dealers keep serving, and your kids ain't learning shit except this: trying to survive Los Angeles Times.
wanna take it easy. Only way to go. And so, if you're looking for me, I'll be on the block. Everything can't possibly sitting on a drop down. Cause I'm a rider. Yeah. So survivor. Yeah. Everybody know the game don't stop. Trying to make it to the top for your ass get popped down. If you a rider. Yeah. Oh, there's a soul survivor.
Yeah, I can't sleep, we living in hell. First they give us the work, then they throw us in jail. Road trip, yeah, I'm trafficking the white. Please, Lord, don't let me go to jail tonight. Yeah. I'm a soul survivor, ask about him in the street, the boy Jeezy a rider. 100 grand on my wrist, yeah, life sucks. Fuck the club, dog, I'd rather count $1 million bucks.
If you looking for me, I be on the block. One thing I'm possibly sitting on a drop now. Cause I'm a rider. Yeah. This is soul survivor. Yeah. Everybody know the game don't stop. Trying to make it to the top for your ass get popped now. If you a rider. Yeah. Oh, this is soul survivor.
Another day, another dollar. Same block, same nigga, same car, same green. I guess we got the same dreams. Or is it the same nightmares? We let the doves do it for us. We don't cry tears. Real niggas don't budge. When mailman got his time, he shot birds at the judge. I'm knee deep in the game, so when it's time to re-up, I'm knee deep in the game. Real talk, I'm telling you, man. If you get jammed up, won't mention my name. Forgive me, Lord. I know I ain't living right. Gotta feed the flock, niggas starve, nigga, appetite. And this is every day, it never gets old. When I was a juvenile, stuck to the G code. This ain't a rap song, nigga, this is my life. My love was a battlefield that I earned stripes.
If you looking for me, I'll be on the block. One thing I'm possibly sitting on a drop down. Cause I'm a rider. Yeah. This is soul survivor. Yeah. Everybody know the game don't stop. Trying to make it to the top for your ass get popped now. If you a rider. Yeah. Oh, this is soul survivor.
Gotta watch every move, cause them eyes be on you. Gotta try real cool when them pies be on you. Just cause we stack big when we ball outrageous. Them alphabet boys got us under surveillance. Like animals, they lock us in cages. Same nigga that's a star when you put them on stages. I ain't cheat, played the hand I dealt. Try to Jackson Grand Pearl, went and got him myself. Let's get it. No nuts, no glory. My biography, damn right, the true story. City on fire, I didn't even try. Run the streets all day, I can sleep when I die.
If you're looking for me, you can find me on the block, disobeying the law. Real G, thoroughbred from the streets, past sagging with my gun in my drawers. Just keep on moving now. Just to keep on moving now. Just to keep on moving now. Just to keep on moving now. Hey, but if you're looking for me, I'll be on the block. One thing I'm possibly sitting on a drop down. Cause I'm a rider. Yeah. This is soul survivor. Yeah. Everybody know the game don't stop. Trying to make it to the top for your ass get popped now. If you a rider. Yeah. Oh, this is soul survivor. Yeah. If you're looking for me, I'll be on the block. One thing
You are listening to Steel Town Sounds.
Chuck Mac.
Champagne wishes and caviar dreams. A team that's getting cream with shells and fish scales from triple beams. I clean, living a life for rally, packing 50 calories, rocking lizard valleys while we do a drug deal in a dark alley. Up at casinos, just me and my Dino Remo, pushing Beamos, then Reno with 2 fine Latinos. Nas, he runs the whole staff. We count math for steam baths. We've seen half of Billy Jackson out there on the Queen's half. 3 major players getting papers by the layers, and those that betray us on the block, they rock like Amadeus. Fakers get used to shooting targets. Soon as the darkest, front on the drug market, bodies get rolled up in a carpet. Those and cheaters try to beat us. We got hookers with heaters that'll straight pop and put more shows in your top than Adidas. The leaders looking straight to me and our Giorgio Armani's. You wanna homie and us, you got to come get through a whole army. The CeeLo rollers, money folders, sipping bowler, holding that payola, slinging a coke without the cola. Me and Black don't fake jacks, but we might sling one. It ain't no shame in our game, we do our thing, son.
Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream.
Yo, I got guns from Italy, smoke trees considerably. Mid-state and green, it seems, is where all my niggas be. The ghetto misery, shootouts in liquor stores, a perpendicular angle of the clout war. Police searching up my Lexo, but who's petrol? My tech blows straight off the roof to test your respect. Oh, but don't respect me. It got me handcuffed to rough life. I just be up nights, breathing with scuff nights. Pour my beers for my peoples under the stairs. These years, I got their names in my swears. Popping crystal like it's my first child. Licking shots, holiday style. Rocking steel sweaters while it be down. 24 carats, counting cabbage like the Arabs. The marriage of me and the mic is just like magic. Elegant performance, bubble X full assurance. Guzzling Guinness, shooting, catching cases concurrent. It's Nas, 700 wise, King Solomon size. We on the rise, me and G, ghetto wise guys. The Luciano, Frankie Ayo, Bugsy Siegel. Green papers with eagles from a trade that's illegal.
Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream.
Hey yo, our lifestyle's exquisite. Yeah, yo, like a blizzard.
Esquire tire standing on ground with one pivot.
Two players rocking silk, blazers and diamonds like glaciers.
Lands with name brand seats reclining like a spacious.
Bodies on ice,
living tripe, rolling fixed up dice.
Gambling grants,
handling stamps, moves and shites. My bank rolls, got the cops coming in plain clothes.
Trying to arraign the game cause of our fame, that's how the game goes.
True.
Right out the slammer with the fame of glamour. Cooking up grams with armor hammer, supplying scramblers in Alabama.
Rub out faces and leave no traces. My aces got mad body cases, preserve spaces at the horse races. Serving us Don Vivo Clico, dials with Magnifico. Putting it cut inside Perico. Heat for foes, shopping sprees with my fleet for clothes. And Caribbean sweets deep, ripping beats with flows.
Hey yo, we went from standing on blocks, went out some socks, selling rocks, to picking up stock at broke docks with Glocks. It got poppy seed fields with $1 million deals, packing on the blue steel. We keep some real inside the battlefield.
Yeah, so here's a toast to the funds and things. Gun smokes and rings, graveyards that's buried with kings.
Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream.
The city, y'all. The city,
I rap with the passion of Christ. Nigga crossed me, took it out of space, and niggas thought they lost me. I'm back like a chiropract with B-boy survival rap. It ain't 94, Joe, we can't go back. The game need a makeover. My man retired, I'ma take over. Tell these halftime niggas breaks over. I'm raw hustlers, get your baking soda. Too many rape the culture. Leave rappers with careers and they faith over. It's a war going on. You can't fake being a soldier in the basement. Listening to tapes are ultramagnetic to the fact I'm Messiah's black. I turn the TV down, we can take it higher than that. I wonder if these rap niggas realize they whack. And they the reason that my people say they tired of rap. Inspired by black Muslims and Christians, pushing cutlasses, dope, and other traditions and our conditions of the city. The city, the city, the city, the city, the city. Come on. The city, y'all. A black figure in the middle of chaos and gunfire. So many raps about rims, surprise niggas ain't become tires on the street. You turn cold and then go screech. I tell them fuck them like I do the police. The beast is running rampant. I'm in between sheets trying to have sex to Santric. For the ghetto, trying to make a get up stand-up anthem. You spit hot garbage, son of Sanford. What you rapping for, to get fame and get rich? I slap a nigga like you and tell him Rick James, bitch, with your Hollywood stories. On porches, we probably heard stories about who became rich. And whatever life they hit, we wanna hit the same switch. You didn't know where to aim it. You still remain bitch. I'm forever putting words together. Some are 7 mothers, some daughters, and fathers, some sons. The name Calm has never been involved with run. Unless it's DMC or running these bras to being free. I'm harder than the times. You hardly scary. Hold
than gats inside you, cat is Holly Berry. They ask me where hip hop is going. It's Chicago and poetry's in motion like a picture now showing is the city.
Rhymefest.
Brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new.
I don't like it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
bed with my
brand new
bitch bumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
dick.
I don't like it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
bed with my
brand new
bitch pumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
dick. They say your attitude determines your latitude. I'm high as a motherfucker, fly as a motherfucker, and still the motherfucker you love to hate, but can't because you love what I make. Now ain't that about a bitch? And I'ma talk shit until I'm out of hits. They don't wanna turn their speakers up, they claim I ain't deep enough. All that talking I feed off of, keep it up. I'm relaxing, my feet is up. I'm leaving you haters like when Shaq left the Lakers just to heat it up. I state the stats to stunt, I don't need the front. Make Black History every day, I don't need a month. The survey says by the streets according, Kanye just important as Michael Jordan was to the NBA when he was scoring. Ralph Lauren was boring before I wore him, and I don't like it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
weird with my
brand new
bitch pumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
yeah.
And wait, I don't want it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
whip with my
brand new
bitch bumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
dick. Now some women hit the mall and some shop at the thrift store. Some of them mix and match and make it look like they get more. Some of y'all know you wear 16 squeezing into a 6. Damn, what you make them jeans rip for? I guess she looking for a
brand new
man who ain't always gotta sit down cause he can't stand you. Boo, this the
brand new
jam to dance to while you giving me head like shampoo. Tell me you came, skip the name, I won't brand you. What you do here, stay here like Cancun. Besides, your breast is augmented. I like things authentic. Look at all my whips, they're all vintage. I got a loft with a view of the sea. See, I take some old shit and make it for me. Pimp it out like Xzibit to the nth degree. Why spin an arm and a leg? We can kick it for free. And see, I don't like it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
whip with my
brand new
bitch bumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
dick, nigga.
I don't like it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
weird with my
brand new
bitch pumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
Now Shay bustin' in the hit 'em, fuck the cynicism. I'm quick to give y'all niggas constructive criticism. Like, wait, you basically suck. His mother said my son wanna rhyme. I'm like, ma'am, I don't agree with that decision. Nothing against him, but if he step, I gotta diss him. I listen to that weak shit, all of it. I can't follow it. Excuse me, I'm lactose intolerant. I work too hard to get my baby baller kid. 9 to 5 had me blue collar popping it. Now I'm in the club and look who I get it popping with. Me and Ye go back like crew cuts. He hooked me up as long as they don't ask for too much, but even he know Fest laying it down. Cause it's
brand new
laying around.
I don't like it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
weird with my
brand new
bitch pumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
Kanye, I don't want it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
whip with my
brand new
bitch bumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
dick, homie. I don't want it unless it's
brand new.
You might see me in my
brand new
whip with my
brand new
bitch pumping my
brand new
shit. You don't like it? Get off my
brand new
dick.
What up, kid? I know shit is rough doing your bid. When the cops came, you should've slid to my crib. Fuck it, black, no time for looking back, it's done. Plus, congratulations, you know you got a son. I heard he looks like ya. Why don't your lady write ya? Told her she should visit, that's when she got hyper. Flippin', talking about he acts too rough. He didn't listen, he be riffing while I'm telling him stuff. I was was like, yeah, shorty don't care, she a snake too. Fucking with them niggas from that fake crew that hate you. But yo, guess who got shot in the dome piece? Jerome's niece on her way home from Jones Beach is bugged. Plus Little Rob is selling drugs on the dime, hanging out with young thugs that all carry nines. And nighttime is more tripe than ever. What up with Cormega? Did you see him? Are y'all together? If so, then hold a fort down, represent to the fullest. Say what's up to Herb, Ice, and Bullet. I left for $100 in your conversary. You was my nigga when push came to shove.
One what?
One love.
One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love.
Dearborn, you'll be out soon, stay strong. Out in New York, the same shit is going on. The crackheads talking, loud mouths is talking. Ho, check out the story yesterday when I was walking. That nigga you shot last year tried to appear like he hurting something. Word him up, I heard him frontin'. And he be pumping on your block. Your man gave him your Glock, and now they run together. What up, son? Whatever. Since I'm on the streets, I'ma put it to a cease. But I heard you blew a nigga with an ox for the phone piece. Wildin' on the island, but now with Elmira, better chill, cause them niggas will put that ass on fire. Last time you wrote, you said they tried you in the showers. But maintain when you come home, the corner's hours on the reels. All these crap niggas know the deal. When we start the revolution, all they probably do is squeal. But chill, see you on the next VI. I gave you my Duke's loot for kicks, plus sent your flicks. Your brother's buck wildin' in 4 Main. He wrote me, he might be this case, and he come home, I'm playing low key. So stay civilized, time flies, no incarcerated, your mind dies. I hate it when your mom's cries. It kinda makes me wanna murder. For real, I even got a mask and gloves to bust slugs, but one love.
One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love.
Sometimes I sit back with a Buddha sack, minds in another world, thinking how can we exist through the facts written in school textbooks, Bibles, etc. Fuck a school lecture, the lies get me vexed up. So I be ghost for my projects. I take my pen and pad for the weekend, hitting L's while I'm sleeping. A 2-day stay. You may say I needed time alone to relax my dome. No phone left and not at home. You see the streets have me stressed, something terrible. Fucking with the corners, have a nigga up in Bellevue at HDM. Hit with numbers from 8 to 10. A future in a maximum state pen. It's grim, so I comes back home. Nobody's out but shorty do. I rollin' 2 Phillies together in the bridge. We call them oops. He said Nas, niggas could be bustin' off the roof. So I wear a bulletproof, a pack of black tray deuce. He inhaled so deep, shut his eyes like he was asleep. Started coughing when I peeked to watch me speak. I sat back like the Mac. My army suit was black. We was chillin' on these bitches where he pumped his loose cracks. I took the L when he passed it. This little bastard keeps me blasted and starts talking mad shit. I had to school him, told him don't let niggas fool him. Cause when the pistol blows the when it's murder be the cool one. Tough luck when niggas are struck, families fucked up. Could've caught your man but didn't look when you bucked up. Mistakes happen, so take heed, never bust up at the crowd. Catch him solo, make the right man bleed. Shorty's laugh was cold-blooded as he spoke so foul. Only 12 trying to tell me that he liked my style. Then I rose, wiping the blunt's ash from my clothes and froze. Only to blow the earth smoke through my nose, through my nose, through my nose, through my nose, through my nose.
You are listening to Steel Time Sounds.
Chuck Mac.
Alright, no doubt. Yeah, my Geronimo. Yeah, Bliss Adventures. Check it out. Yeah, now. My word is dialect, the culture that emerged out of savage. Sonically lavishing inside the ear when it happened. Rapping for revolution, certified at abusing this mic. Substitution over customers who choose in depth. Use a fat line, the length of a pipeline. My lifeline, a question over hands of time. Redefine hunger, poetry, jealousy never slowing me. Blowing me hallucination. Niggas is chasing, Philly lacing. Mickey slipping your drink. Kick back and think dominant when most men sink. Till the suckers of the world go extinct. We move it like an eye blink. Put it together like a fine link. Competitors better be chill like freeze. Enemies try to run it while I'm holding the keys to keep a prophecy. You got to understand, ain't no stopping me. Word up, ain't no guts in ya. Top load, I'm putting these guns in ya. I'm redefining what you know when it's possible. Word up, and right now I'm unstoppable. Ain't no guts in ya. Top load, I'm putting these guns in ya. I'm redefining what you know when it's possible. Word up, right now I'm unstoppable. Like that. Picture my left with my bottom, my right. Fingers and stones, the light reflect, shine to make my diamonds explode. Carry chrome, walk alone
and watch the verdict unfold. Conversating with the old, use the value of gold. Keep the vibe inside my mind and organize on the blind. Watch the young fall the victim over hands of time. Investigate and find the old accelerated with crime. Intertwine, let the alcohol and pressing combine. A deadly combination. He passed the younger generation, return from his sleep. Find the same situation. Meantime, occupation making papers like spiritual or lyrical to make an unbeliever see a miracle. With guns bust, automatic spray to stay paid. Await a revolution like a renegade and get smoked like the choke we crush. I rock shit scandalous. Ain't no guts in ya. Off top, Lord, I'm putting these cuts in ya and redefining what you know when it's possible. Word up, and right now I'm unstoppable. Word up, ain't no guts in ya. Off top, Lord, I'm putting these cuts in ya and redefining what you know when it's possible. Word up, and right now I'm unstoppable. Ladies and gentlemen, I come with strength like 7 men. Armed like heroin and rock where you never been. Me redeveloping this rap shit with skeleton. I leave it hemorrhaging but never caught trembling. My mind intelligent, run like a rebel and cold like the Kremlin. Polar for taking over. Domination hitting something like a boulder. Max back, smack a soldier. Live for cheddar, getting older. Release to verbalize the kill. Easy run, I'm a lamp for chill. Think about it, got a mill. Remember when you won't, I will. Better roll like the judgment fell. Ain't no guts in ya. Off top, Lord, I'm putting these cuts in ya and redefining what you know when it's possible. Word up, and right now I'm unstoppable. Word up, ain't no guts in ya. Off top, Lord, I'm putting these cuts in ya and redefining what you know when it's possible. Word up, and right now I'm unstoppable.
Nothing but $500,000 we build for real, y'all. Taking you on another one, son. Julio Iglesias. Make it cream like that, nigga.
Yo, burst the war, son, beat the arson. Many brothers I be sparking and busting mad light inside the dark and call me dough snatcher. Just a brother for the rapture. I hang glide, holding on strong, hard to capture. Extravagant, bake the track and it's militant. Then I react like a convict and start killing shit. It's manifested. The guards work like appliances. Dealing in my cipher, I revolve around scientists. The ninth chamber, they get trapped inside my hallway. You try to flee, but you got smoke right by the doorway. No question, I send your ass back right to the essence. Your whole frame is smothered in dirt. Now how you resting? Well, I be trapped by sounds, locked behind loops, throwing niggas off airplanes cause cash rules. Everything around me black, as you can see. Swallow this murder one verse like God degree. Then analyze my soundtrack with satisfaction. You adapt like a flashback chain reaction.
Lace them niggas, son. AK's back, bust back like 70 max. I'm all that street niggas knowing my steez black. Ron G, you know he coincide with me, see? Marvelous, menaceful society. But anyway, let's toast. Champagne thoughts with ghosts. I match the most. Shotguns through the nose. Fuck rap, hip hop for me off top. Love wears and Tommy Hill fly shit with a knot. The way the unpredictable live shit. God buy shit, do or die shit. I take your lying shit. And then you know I'm running through the P now. Bow. Walk through showers, wow, the old lady snitch, but fuck it, you know it, one love, kid, no, I'm not doing her big, too much to get for what, cause 6 niggas got stuck in the nigga chain was truck, yo, fuck that, criminology rap, speaker stay jet black, floating in the flies, nigga, bring it. Much love go to New York City. All my Tommy Hill ice rockin' niggas. Out. Come on with it. Star Trek. Niggas is haters. I'm doing
deals like the majors. Ice cream sneakers, I signed my first skater. You can pay 3 and buy yourself some Babesters. Bulletproof on the t-shirts because they hate us. Do like Snoop say, step your game up. Double decker boat, nigga, let it to rain up. D-class, ash your cut, tuck your chain up. Liberace fingers, niggas hit Lorraine up. Just last week I was out in Aspen. Me and Puff hopping off the plane, both us laughing. Week before that I was out in Italy. Italian heartthrobs could not get rid of me. Up and down a crib, me and like 10 hoes. Call from the cell phone, give me that info. I know what you're thinking, yeah, me too. Okay, everybody needs just to me too.
Been 2 years like I was paddy wagon cruising. Streets was yours, your dunce capping and kazooing. I was just assuming you keep the coke moving, but I got one question. Fuck y'all been doing? Pyrex stirs turned into Cavalli furs. The full name cat when I wave the kitty purrs. All my niggas caked up, selling gray and beige dust. Had that money right or end up in the trunk taped up. We don't chase a duck, we only race for bucks. Peel money rolls till our thumbs get the paper cuts. Chill retardo, South Beach Gallardo. Teal started up, go brrr like this Nardo. Woman, if you love me, please let me know. Tie rags round your neck and learn the sets we grow. These are the days of our lives, and I'm sorry to the fans, but them crackers won't play a fair job. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, we get it, yep, yeah, you too. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, everybody me, Mr. Me too. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, we get it, yep, yeah, you too. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, everybody me, Mr. Me too.
I know what you're thinking, why I call you me too. Cause everything I say I got, you say me too. I say I got a Benz and you say me too. You hanging out the window so they could see you, but you ain't hanging out the window when you in that G2 or that G3 or G4 like we do.
Wanna know the time, better clock us. Niggas bite the style from the shoe to the watches. We cloud hoppers, killer suits like we mobsters. Break down keys and the dimes and sell them like gobstoppers. Who gon' stop us? Not a goddamn one of ya. Mean with the re-up, nigga with street tumblers. Ivory white, yeah, that's the same color of a Zord, nigga. Best believe it's the Mulliner. Take no prisoners, rap niggas are whisperers. Choke on your own spit just as soon as you mention us. Champagne corks is kicked by Louis Sportson. Keep my hoes in Pooch and Charles Jordan. Copy chrome and touchscreen component. Mink on the floor, make you hot, don't it? You don't wanna know what the fuck I spent on it. Tomorrow ain't promised, so we live for the moment.
I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, we get it, yep, yeah, you too. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, everybody me, Mr. Me too. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, we get it, yep, yeah, you too. I know, yep, yeah, you too. Okay, everybody me, Mr. Me too.
Here we go again. Bad Boy South. Get on Feel USA.
Block Entertainment.
You know I go by the name Diddy, right? I gotta introduce y'all another motherfucker out my squad, right? What's this nigga, man? This nigga go by the name of Jock. He resides in College Park, right? But for right now, what we gotta do for y'all, we gotta get y'all in here.
Damn near every day. Asking me a question like Jock, where you stay? Tell them College Park, where the Jock call. Eat 20 grand, spend a grand at the bar. Just about his own. J's on my feet, I'm on the Patron. So get like me, 69 cut, yes, with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the stove. Pistol in my lap, on the phone, counting dough. If your girl chew, let her do a thing. Just like a mama, nice head, night brain. Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Niggas throw the juice every time I ride by. I know you wonder why, I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you need me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you need me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pocket full of big brains. When I'm in the mall, hoes just bought. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bump. Boys in the hood, call me Black Donald Trump. Dope boy magic, 7 days a week. Number one record, longest on the beat. Who I think they like me, better yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Niggas know my crew, we certified stars. Belly in the front, about 35 cars. Bitches in the back, black people hoops. Girls like the girls, time to recruit. If you got a problem, say it to my face. We can knuckle up anytime, any place. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Time to set it off, let these niggas know. Have you ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? I ride real slow, no need to speed. Gotta make sure you see the buttons on my feet. Feds on my trail, but they don't think I know. I keep my hands clean, cause I never touch dope. Every time I see them, look them in their eyes. Ask me how I know, it's me, surprise. Put it in the air, rip where you stay. Take a step back, blow the cushion they face. Sudden is a habit, let them see the cabinets. I'ma make it rain, nigga, I ain't scared to share. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Young John, try this again.
You gon' show me in the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Now I done been with different kind of girls, feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all.
Like you.
And I done seen the best of the best, maybe still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all.
Like you.
And you know how I feel when I chill. If I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just
like you.
And maybe that's the way I feel, and I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dub you out. But I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping, I'm acting shady. Cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you're on me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it. Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come out, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, I make a trip. And whenever I'm doing a show, don't you forget that I'm your main chick. Who got that cane chick? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you're on me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it. Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Hit the mall, pop tags, spend a few G's and hit the runway to a new season. It ain't nothing to spoil the one I care for. Feel like I ain't doing enough, that's when I share more. I give you this, give you that, but you need love. You know I gotta holler at me if you need love. In affection, cause I be your protection. Kinda hard job, but I do it to perfection. And you can tell that I ain't tryna let you go. I get with you when I can, so that's how I let you know. And you be tripping, cause sometimes I gotta go. But you the first one I holler to, right after my shows. And I was tripping in a sense, I was tense, but my body loose around you. But I'ma do without you. I gotta get it together, say whatever. But since I met you, my life seems so better.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you're on me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it. Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
You are listening to Steel Town Sound.
Chuck Mack.